It's high time to impress your passengers with the vibrant and stylish look of our highest grade faux leather seat covers. Designed with comfort in mind, these quality covers feature a perforated center that allows the fabric to breathe. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including center console and cup holders, and access to seatbelt buckles, as well as the split sections of the seats. The zippered mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. To top it off, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket, and special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. Our high-grade faux leather covers can accommodate traditional, heated, or cooled seats, and are backed with 3mm of breathable foam, which disperses heat, keeping you cool and comfortable. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bottom bench cover, and headrest covers. Choose from a variety of stylish color designs and personalize your ride today.